science topic, our food and its digestion. So children, already I have written 10 words on the board here. So take out your classwork, write the heading, write all these 10 words in your classwork without making mistakes. So let me repeat the words what I have written here, and later turn to page number 58 children. So let us discuss the remaining mains. So be ready with your pencils. So first word is carbohydrates. C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S. Carbohydrates. Essential. E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L. Essential. Secrete. S-E-C-R-E-T. Secrete. Iodized. I-O-D-I-S-E-D. Iodized. Calcium. C-A-L-C-I-U-M. Calcium. Phosphorus. P-H-O-S-P-O-R-O-U-S. Bacteria. B-A-C-T-E-R-I-A. Bacteria. Container. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R. Container. Nutritional. N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-N-A-L. Nutritional. Refrigeration. R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Refrigeration. So now children, so turn to page number 58. I hope you have done that one. So take out your pencils. So first main is pick the correct answers. In that first one, sugar is rich in dash. So there are 4 options. So what are they? Let me read that one children. So first one is proteins, fats, minerals and carbohydrates. So which one is the correct answer there? So option D. Sugar is rich in carbohydrates. So tick for option D. And then second one, food rich in proteins is maida, rice, egg, onion. So food rich in protein is egg. Option C. So tick for option C there. And which of the following makes our bones strong? Proteins, calcium, carbohydrate and iron. So which one is the correct option children here? So which of the following makes our bones strong? Calcium. Yes. That is option B. And then third one, food is completely digested in stomach, mouth, small intestine and large intestine. And the options are stomach, mouth, small intestine, large intestine. So the option C, that is small intestine. Food is completely digested in small intestine. And then fifth one, which one of the following is not a method of preservation? So, and the options are pickling, washing, boiling, drying. So washing is the correct answer, that is option B. So washing is not a method of preservation there. Okay. So all this you just pick it and learn from the textbook. So don't write in classwork this main. So first main you write hard words, and then remaining mains you can just copy in your classbook, that is fill in the blanks, true or false, and then match the following you have to copy in your classwork. So now children, second main is match the following. From column A to column B you have to match it. So first one is sweet potato, that is carbohydrates, and then meat, protein, butter, fats, fruit, vitamins and minerals, roughage, good for digestion. So you need to match from column A to column B here. Okay, then next main is write whether true or false. Write T for true and F for false statements. So let me just orally tell you have to mark it children. So the first one is our main source of energy comes from food. Yes, true. Our main source of energy comes from food. True. You write T in the given box there. And then vitamins and minerals are building blocks of our body. False. So write F there. And then third one, oil, ghee and butter are rich source of roughage. Again it is false. And then water is elixir to life. True. It is like a medicine, or it is like a medicinal magical potion. So elixir means, okay. So water is very essential, isn't it? So that is true. And then the food we eat daily is called our diet. True. The food we eat daily is called our diet. True. Okay children, after that next main is fill in the blanks. I will write on the board. You can write on in your textbook. So the D main, in that first one, fill in the blanks in that. An adult person may need dash glasses of water in a day. That is 8 to 10 glasses of water. 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. We should wash fruits and vegetables dash peeling or cutting before peeling or cutting. low temperature is called refrigeration. Refrigeration. And the last one, children, we put dash in jams and dash in pickles for preserving them. That is, sugars, 2 blanks are there, sugar in jams and salt in pickles. So preserve the pickles. Okay. So write down and then later you can copy. First main hard words, match the following true or false and fill in the blanks. And E-main, children, that one you have to do it in the textbook itself. So what you have to do, in the given figure, circle the 2 food items that contain starch. In the given figure, circle the 2 food items that contain starch and make a smiley face for 2 protein-rich food. That one you have to do it. And the next main, children, name the following. So let us see, name the following 2 sources of protein. F main. First one in that. So you need 2 sources of protein, that is egg and then dal. And next is second one in that 2 examples of vitamins. 2 examples of vitamins. Vitamin A and vitamin C. Okay, children? And the next one is 2 examples of minerals. That is spinach and jaggery. Spinach and jaggery. And fourth one, 2 organs when digestion of food takes place. Sorry, where digestion of food takes place. Stomach, small intestine. Two organs where digestion of food takes place, that is stomach and small intestine. Last one, 2 methods of food preservation. Fifth one, I will write here. Fifth one is 2 methods of food preservation, that is refrigeration and canning. Children, so copy down all this in the classwork. So remaining notes and send you later. Okay, children. Thank you.